So, in this class, we'll be learning about how to import media before we starting on the interface, how to import the media, and how we can practically trim and cut a video, and where we basically need to trim and cut a video. Okay, so here I do have the option called media. I came here. Actually, we do have two, three ways how we can actually import the media in this interface. So I can just simply right click, and here I do have the option as import media, and the shortcut key is Control plus I. I can just click this one, and as you can see, I do have quite few options for my video. If I want to select three, four videos at the same time, then I'll just right click with Control, and I can just open. I do want to change my frame rate. So here, as you guys can see, I do have the videos which I imported. And there is another way how we can do is, if I do have a file, I can just simply drag and drop the file here. I can just drag and drop the file and I'll have all the contents here. So this is how we can basically do, like how we can easily import. And from here also we can import. We'll go to the file option. After going to the file option, we'll go to import, and from here also we can import our media. Okay, so basically I've shown you guys three ways how we can import the media before we start working on this interface or in this program. Okay, so now I already have this. Okay, I already have the video. I have this which I'm going to work on. So let me just click on this one. So before that, as you guys can see, when I'm taking my mouse over this, I'm getting a preview of what it is. Because sometimes we just forget what video it was and which one I'm going to edit. So here you can see the preview, especially while video editing. We changed a part and now we're confused which part did we change. So here we can basically see a preview. So this is a quite helpful tool which is being given by us, the DaVinci Resolve especially. So now I'll be showing you guys how to cut and trim, and I hope that importing media, now you guys basically know how to do importing. So first I'll click on this, I'll go to the cut and trim, I'll just drag it here. So from here basically I can actually cut and trim my video. So here once I come to the side, as you can see, I do have a trim option, so I'll click this one and I can actually trim it as much as I want. Okay, from here my video will start if I play. Okay, so once I have my clip in this interface, I can actually trim it down here. So if you guys can see, I can trim it from here, and from the back end as well I can do the same. And this one basically we use like if there are too many unwanted parts in our video which we don't want to use. So from here we can actually do that. We can select the blade option, we can also cut and trim. Here is the cut option, I can cut it from here. But let's go back then. If I show you guys it in the edit option, you guys will be able to understand better. So let's go to the edit option. Let me just select a video here, And here I do have the playhead, and using that, if I come here, as you can see, I can trim down my video. I can also trim it down from the back end. So I just trim down my video, and if I start playing my video now, it's starting from here basically. Okay. And I can also extend it again if I want to till this much. Okay. I can also decrease the duration of my video. It totally depends on yourself and how you think it's going to look better. And here we can also split our videos if you want to cut. As you guys can see, there is another box, which is the audio box. Okay. So in this video, basically, which I downloaded from the Pixels just to show you guys in this tutorial. So I don't have any audio here. So basically I'll be adding a different audio and I'll be showing you guys how it actually works. So here, first let me tell you guys about cutting. Okay. So here, if I want to cut this part, so here I want to give a cut. Okay. I'll select this, and otherwise I can just click on this. Go to selection mode again. And after going to the selection mode, I will come here, select this piece of video, and from here I'll just click on delete. So I just clicked on delete and it just deleted that part, because here, as you can see, I have my snapping on. Okay, so if I just off the snap part, and now if I delete this one, okay, basically here, if I just on the snap, and let me just delete a part of this video, and now go to the selection mode again, just delete. Here you can see I will do have some kind of gap, so I don't want any kind of gap in my video. I'll just choose as I want. So if you want to put too many cuts, or we want to trim our video, then basically from here also we can do. So in this lesson, we have learned about how to import our media, how to basically put a cut and trim in our video wherever it's necessary. Okay. And in the next class, we'll be basically learning about the whole interface and the workspace, basically about editing and everything. And we'll get familiar with this interface. I'll be telling you guys what all we can do in this interface and what's the function of what part, like what is a timeline, what is a control panel, how we can edit, how we can put a marker. I'll tell you guys about the toolbar as well. So hope to see you guys in the next class.